Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Triumph Bobber 1200. This thing is badass from the ground up. Liquid cooled, fuel injected, ABS brakes, super cool retro style, 1200 cc's. Talk about torque. This baby is very torquey. Beautiful metallic green and silver, classic Triumph colors. It's got the fork gators up front, 6-speed transmission. It's got the mini side case. $79.99. You gotta be kidding me. Come on down, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful cool used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.